Apparently, my new favorite time to film is when I'm about to go somewhere and I'm on a time crunch. And I know I need to get ready, and I know I need to film, and I know I don't have time really to do either. So what do? I do both, people. That's probably how you'll know when I'm on here with just some crazy brows and ready to go. So we're diving in because we've got stuff to do. My eyes are primed. This look is all going to be centered around this O Ship shade that I got from ColourPop. If you've been here for any length of time, you know I'm obsessed with reds and orange. Talk about them a lot, and I talk about how I'm always on the hunt. I ordered from ColourPop. You see me sporadically. This wasn't something I ordered because my shipment was late. They sent this to me, and I've never been happier in my life. So this look is centered around this. Heads up. Diving right in because we don't have time to waste. I am going to take the ABH Subculture palette. I'm taking the Morphe MB23, and I'm going to take Roxy and Dawn, a little mixture of both, and put them as my transition crease. I'm not trying to go in with a lot of colors. I really want that red to pop. We need something down though. I've been using that Roxy shade, or I've used it before. It lays down a really nice pigment, so I'm going to try to tone it down with Dawn a little bit. So I really focus on putting most pigment in my outer edge here and in this edge of the crease. Okay, if you're using these same colors, it's a lot. I even take I call this a color switch, it's the Marshall brand. I almost take some product off it. First, let's lightly blend where we want the most color to be. And then as we get that blended, I'll bring it around the whole crease, outer edge, and above. You can obviously blend that transition color as much as low as you want. I know when I was editing my last video with this color, it seems like a lot more on camera than it did in person. But I mean, it is a lot. So just build it up to your comfortability and your eye shape, because depending on what type of eye shape you had might determine how high you go, how low, how much color. So you can do whatever you want. I could blend here for hours. I'm not going to. So I'm just going straight in with the ship, with O Ship. And I'm going to take that on a Morphe MB13. Concentrating this below the crease and on my outer edge. This is a very pigmented shade. It's a lot of color. I do not want to go too high, too fast. That should be on a t-shirt. So outer edge, I'm just patting the color down. Brushing it onto our lid. Sweeping lightly in the crease. Always add more, can't go back. Now I'm going to keep switching on and off before I deposit more color. Taking the MB23. Back in with color. That's so much. MB23. Then I'm going to take some concealer on my Wet n Wild concealer brush, and I'm not going to cut the crease, but kind of do, I'm going to soften this. We're not really going to go in with a color on there, but I don't want the matte. I don't want the lid to have as much red on it as it does. I'm just going to take a regular Wet n Wild crease brush, take some translucent powder, and I'm going to lightly set that. Before I then take my cleaned up Morphe MB23, I'm going to soften where the concealer and the red meets. Then the top of the eyes are done. My hair is a mess. There's like, you get to do your face or your hair, and I always choose to do my face. So taking a makeup wipe and I'm gonna clean this fallout we have. Looks crazy, I know. I'm gonna go do the rest of my face and I'll be back to finish up the bottom of my eyes. Oh, this is bad. So much dry shampoo. So much. Okay, I'll be back. I'm loving the lip with the eyes, so let's finish it off. Oh, the rest of my face is done, if you didn't know. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. 202. I'm gonna go in with this Subculture Roxy shade. First, you could tell I was thinking there. Put this all underneath of my lid. So then I'm going to take the same brush, I'm going to take the Oh Shit shade, and I'm just going to concentrate this on the outer edges. Then I'm taking the Morphe E18 and I'm just zhuzhing that. Then I'm taking ABH1 Renaissance. This is just going to be for my brow bone and my inner corner. Take whatever you have at this point, because I know I'm grabbing another palette. But I'm going to take Tempera for my brow bone and then Vermeer for my inner corner. That's what I'm doing. Don't shoot. I'm going to go put on mascara and I will be back. So here is the completed look. I'm loving how it came out. Very different. I was a little nervous with that red color because I hadn't used it yet, but this is what we came up with, and I actually kind of finished my time frame, so it's always good. I hope you enjoyed this look. It's definitely different, this lip color. It's L'Oreal. It's great with the red eyes. So not sure I'm going to title this yet, but I hope you enjoyed. Please comment, rate, like, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs in the middle. Or, as always, just keep watching for sometimes normal, sometimes crazy bold, sometimes really, really fast. Mostly get ready with me. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.